The Goblin King has called for reinforcements, and we shall answer. Hello, folks, and welcome to Author Adjacent, a show about the journey from hobbyist writer to professional author. I'm your host, Michael Vadney. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. As you may or may not be aware, there are some shenanigans going on over at Audible that I just wanted to draw attention to. I'll do my best to break down this complex issue at a high level, but if you want to dive into more details, I'll link some videos below by Daniel Green and Dale Roberts. They dive deeper into the details of this complex situation. First, let's bring you up to speed on what the issue is with Audible. Audible, the #1 service for audiobooks whom a vast majority of indie authors rely on to sell their narrated books, is quietly rolling out a new royalty program for paying authors. This is reportedly in response to Brandon Sanderson's outspoken advocacy of raising royalty rates to align with industry standards. Sanderson stood up for the community, and Audible promised a better system with higher royalty rates for authors. Instead, Audible appears to be taking royalties from authors who would receive from premium titles and partially redirecting them to plus titles. This means authors of premium titles lose income so that plus authors can gain, even when listeners intend their credit purchase to support premium authors. To explain further, you need to understand the current system. Within the Audible ecosystem, there are two groups, Premium and Plus. I find Audible's official labels too similar to keep them straight, so for clarity, I'm going to use my own terms. I'll call the Plus titles the buffet system, since it works like an all-you-can-read library. And I'll call the premium titles the credit system, where the customers use monthly credits to buy books. In the buffet system, customers pay $7.95 and can listen to any book within the buffet system. Authors with books within the buffet system are paid a one-time buyout. The credit system, by contrast, starts at $14.95 per month, with higher costs for customers who want additional monthly credits. Credits are then used to purchase books by the customer, and the author is paid a percentage of that credit. Additionally, customers within the credit system have access to the buffet system titles. That last detail is important, so remember it for later. In the new system that Audible is slowly trying to roll out, the buffet authors would start earning ongoing royalties instead of a single buyout, which in principle sounds great. The problem is customers within the credit system can both spend a credit on a book and also listen to buffet titles, since they have access to both. When this happens, part of the royalty from the credit system is diverted to the buffet system author. Instead of Audible paying more to their authors like they promised, supposedly, they are creating a zero-sum game where one author's gain comes at the expense of another author's loss. Thankfully, a solution has been proposed by Robin Sullivan, wife and business manager of Michael J. Sullivan, which she outlines in a petition that I will link below. The solution to the new system is actually quite simple. Keep the revenue pools separate. Customer money spent on credits only supports the credit system authors. Authors in the buffet system are then paid solely out of the all-you-can-listen subscription fees. With this proposed solution, credit system purchases go 100% to the chosen author based on that royalty rate. Buffet titles are still fairly supported with monthly royalties, and authors that don't want to join the buffet system are no longer penalized. Folks, this may be the most important episode of Author Adjacent to date. While I appreciate a like and subscribe, what I would much prefer is if you checked out the petition linked below. Sign your name along with the thousands of others who have decided to speak up on this issue. Until next time, let's be author adjacent together. Thank you.